iFinder to me has helped increase the tools I have when I go into a home to talk to a seller about selling their home.
It helps me sign the listing at the time and get that business secured.
So iFinder's a really good, quick and easy button. And it's not for everybody, but it's always a great tool that nobody else can offer.
I use iFinder in every one of my listing presentations because it helps to kind of get that Mr. Seller off the fence.
I was a little worried about what the investor offers would be, and they ended up being $40,000 over what I was hoping for.
It is an amazing seller lead generation tool. To be able to tell a seller that we can get instant cash offers on that property, whether they take it or not, is a lead generation tool. And in our market and in most markets, we needed this tool to compete. And I couldn't be more proud to say we partnered with iFinder, and what a great, great resource it is for our agents.